Hello Japan, I'm super happy to be here in Tokyo. My inspiration for the Spring-Summer 2024 collection comes from the timeless elegance of the Maison heritage and archives, as well as from the world of theater, of course. The collection is unveiled across 3 rooms: hair of preciousness, shape of lightness, finally, the heart of passion. Kintsugi is a unique craft to create a design that gains new charm. I am deeply impressed by this delicate traditional technique. I am delighted to experience a traditional tea ceremony, and drinking tea in a kintsugi cup is even more exceptional.
Super good.
This season, like each season, I love to challenge myself in order to create new models which celebrate the Maison's heritage but are also very contemporary in their look. Japan is always such an inspiring country to visit. I'm very happy to be here this season with a presentation that is so representative of Roger Vivier's identity.